I want you to apologize to Mike.
Mike, I'm really sorry. Okay, please forgive me.
Oh, it's fine.
Just don't talk to Richard in that manner. It wasn't nice.
Hey, Jankuma.
Mensah, did you hear? Do you hear?
Mike.
It's too late. Heart in tears, crying in the night. Love was there, but you lost the light. Heart in tears. Now you realize true love lives beyond disguise. Heart in tears, calling out your name, but nothing ever stays the same. Heart in tears. Oh, you let it go. Now the pain is all you know. Soul with a gentle flame, saw his heart, not the name. Kinda shining in her eyes, she could see beyond disguise. Where there's love, there will be peace. Where there's truth, pain will cease. She held him close.
Not all that glitters is gold, they say. I was infatuated by your beauty. Little did I know that your real character is nowhere compared to your looks. One should not be deceived by what he or she sees on social media.
Why are you even here? You have no remorse for your actions at all. You gave a common houseboy the power to disrespect me.
Mike, please understand me. I have nothing doing with Richard, honestly. Just that I don't like it when you treat people badly. It's not a nice thing to do.
Who is it that I can't insult? Who are his parents? What do they have? No, tell me. You know I'm from a wealthy family, so I can talk to anybody anyhow I like.
That's not right, Mike. The fact that you are rich and he is poor does not make you more human. Remember, we are all equal before God and before the laws of this land, irrespective of our status. Please have that in mind.
You know what? I don't have time for your sermons, okay? I have important stuff to do.
Come on, Mike. I already said I'm sorry. Please. Sandra, do you know Mike told me never to call or text him ever again?
Why? What did you do wrong?
It's all about the house up in our house. Mike came in and was talking to him harshly. So I gently told him not to be hostile to people. It's a nice thing to do. But he got angry and just left.
Wow. But what exactly did he do before he started insulting him?
The house up just brought Mike water in a glass. And you and I both know how Mike doesn't joke with his bottled water. But my point here is, Sandra, how was he supposed to know that Mike doesn't like water in glass?
Azumah, you don't worry. I'll try and talk to him, listen to his side of the story. Then we know what to do from there, because this is actually nothing.
Please do.
I will. Don't worry. Let's go.
Me, the assignment I won't do. I'm tired.
It's too difficult.
Mensah, I felt embarrassed, Daddy. The way the boy insulted me, and Jankuma couldn't say anything.
Mike, please forgive her. You know she's just a kid.
But why would she go behind me and cheat with a common houseboy?
No. She's not cheating on you with him. Jankuma, cheat with a houseboy. No. Jankuma is not cheating with a houseboy. Where? In this house? And who is even going to allow that? Me or my other sister? Mike, there is nothing like that. It's just that she feels pity for him anytime we shout at him or something like that. But she's not cheating with him. No, it can't be possible. Please forgive her, okay? It won't happen again.
Honestly speaking, Mensah, had it not been you, I wouldn't have been here. I even called her. So, I'm okay. I've accepted it.
Okay. Thank you very much. Now you let me call her here. Okay. Jankuma! Jankuma!
Yes. You're welcome.
Thank you.
Now you. I want you to apologize to Mike.
Mike, I'm really sorry. Okay, please forgive me.
Oh, it's fine.
Just don't talk to Richard in Ghana. It wasn't nice.
Hey, Jankuma.
Mensah, did you hear? Do you hear?
Mike. Jankuma, seriously?
What did I do?
What did you do? I called you here to apologize to Mike and see what you just did.
Mr. Mensah, what did I do? I was just telling him what he did wasn't nice. That was all.
You didn't do anything. Okay. I'm just not serious.
Mr. Mensah.
Love can hide in simple things, but pride can make us blind.
Why won't they just get me?
No gold, no name, just a humble smile, no pride,
Mike.
no fame.
Jankuma told me you warned her never to speak to you again. And I want to know why.
Didn't she tell you what she did?
Well, she said something, but I would like to hear your side of the story as well.
Alright. I went to her house the other time to visit her. And there was one useless boy who did something. And I complained. In fact, he insulted me. And Jankuma supported him.
Come on. Mike. You know Jankuma is a kid. She's a kid. She doesn't have any idea about all these stuffs. I don't know why she would rather support a houseboy. But just find a place in your heart to forgive her. Please.
Her sister invited me over and she repeated the same thing. And I said I should forgive her. Come on, we are running late. Let's go. Forget that girl. Let's go.
What's the meaning of this? No. Do you want to embarrass this family?
Sister, I don't even know what is wrong with her. Do you know that when I apologized to Mike and he accepted, she repeated the same thing right in front of me?
See, you were lucky I wasn't here. Come the Mr. Benkume show and iswa. Do you know about Sono? I mean, do you know who was our boy no? Huh?
But sisters, you people seem to be misunderstanding me. All I'm trying to do is to draw attention to the fact that it's not nice to be hostile to people.
Will you shut up there? What do you know?
She. So when you nipa baya Mike, our four. Any to me more way here bush ye swa, and cow ye the away no. See, here, I can't show. So when him. Now, did you two by bush you know in Tema? You will be sorry. I warning I made so. So when him. Now, wouldn't you two by bush you know in Tema? You will be sorry. Do I make myself clear?
Yes, please.
Now, clear off my face. Come here! You're shouldn't be.
Efya, me, I'm not going to say anything concerning this girl's personal life again.
I should be any I have share. Oh, ya call her Teen for us. I don't want to. Oh, fresh boy.
Came with nothing, no gold, no name. Just a humble smile, no pride, no fame. Sleeping on the floor, working through the pain. Still he loved in silence through the shame. She looked away, never saw his heart. Judged his worth from the very start. Cold words falling like the rain. Never knew she caused him pain. Oh, love was standing at your door.
But I didn't ask for it.
I know. I felt you needed something juicy this hot afternoon.
Put it down.
Okay.
Thanks anyway.
You're welcome.
You can go.
Please, can I have a word with you?
What is it? Why do you want to disturb my afternoon?
Just a few minutes, madam.
Just say it and leave my presence.
Please, madam. I know you are single and searching, just like me. I want us to court and eventually get married.
What is happening? Is it a dream or what?
It's not a dream, madam. I'm in love with you.
Sleeping on the floor, working through the pain. Still he loved in silence through the shame. She looked away, never saw his heart. Judged his worth from the very start. Cold words falling like the rain. Never knew she caused him pain. Oh, love was standing at your door, but you couldn't see anymore. What you lost, you can't replace. Now you see, but it's too late. Heart in tears, crying in the night. Love was there, but you lost